Confirmed cases of COVID-19 continue to climb in 31 provinces and cities in China. According to internal documents obtained exclusively by the Epoch Times, in Hebei province, where the epidemic is severe, the authorities are dispatching supplies well in excess of the double-digit daily increase in cases, suggesting that the authorities may be anticipating a major outbreak during the Chinese New Year. The outbreak continues to expand in Hebei province, where on January the 10th, Shijiazhuang city added 7 new medium-risk areas after 4 medium-risk areas were added to the outbreak. Authorities in Hebei province claim that 82 new indigenous cases have been reported. On the same day, Shijiazhuang announced the launch of the second round of full-scale nucleic acid testing.
We're waiting for the second nucleic acid test to be done. The first nucleic acid test has been done. The results may have come out, but were not published yet. They seem to be lagging behind in entering information. I saw that some of the other residential communities have been notified. This whole residential community is invisible, but there must be some cases missing. Nucleic acid tests are not 100% accurate. An outbreak may come after the incubation period. There is still more or less a sense of fear.
Xinji village, 40 miles east of Shijiazhuang, has also been closed.
We are in a rural village. The whole village is closed. There are watchmen at the entrance of the village. People transporting live pigs, transporting all kinds of goods, are not allowed to enter or exit. The epidemic must be serious. Did Shijiazhuang test 200 to 300 positives every day for the last few days?
The public is in a state of anxiety and speculation abounds. According to some of the internal epidemic prevention documents the Epoch Times obtained recently from Hebei province, the CCP authorities, as usual, have not disclosed the truth about the epidemic. Addressed to the Health Bureau of Gaocheng District, where most of the city's infections have been detected, the Shijiazhuang Command Center ordered the District Health Bureau to immediately organize personnel to inspect a total of 469 rooms at Liaozhou No. 1 Junior High School, Lianzhou No. 4 Junior High School, and a vocational education center. The classrooms need to be thoroughly inspected, cleaned and disinfected so they could be used as isolation units. In addition, the facilities need an adequate number of personnel who can be trained to care for the people isolated there. It instructed the Health Bureau to get the new quarantine facilities ready by January the 7th. However, according to the official epidemic data, from January the 2nd, when 1 new confirmed case was reported in Gaocheng District, to January the 6th, there were only 76 new confirmed cases in the entire Hebei province.
Sai, China's statistics are simply like that. I do not pay attention to them. All of China's statistics I do not bother to analyze. The credibility is too little, no credibility.
In addition, on January the 6th, the Shijiazhuang Epidemic Prevention Command issued a medical supplies for full nucleic acid testing of COVID-19 work plan to all county and city governments in the city. The request was to do a good job in securing medical supplies for the prevention and control of COVID-19 during the New Year's holiday and Spring Festival in 2021. On the same day, the Hebei Provincial Health Commission also issued an emergency notice for emergency stockpiling of epidemic prevention and control materials, stating that the situation of epidemic prevention and control is very serious. Please take immediate action in all local governments and departments and increase the stockpiling of medical prevention and control emergency materials, according to the principle of meeting the 30-day full load running demand. Such emergency notifications are difficult for the public to find through public channels such as the internet, but what can be seen is that in recent days the CCP's National Health Commission deployed more than 100 professionals and technical personnel from Guangdong, Jiangsu, Zhejiang, Hunan and Jiangxi provinces, as well as negative pressure ambulances with mobile CTs to Hebei province. This shows that the CCP authorities are making emergency preparations such as large-scale nucleic acid testing for the Lunar New Year with a level of tension far exceeding the double-digit daily growth rate officially claimed. Mr. Wan, a resident of Xinji village, said that recently the government has also leaked out some information asking people to stock up on food.
Anyway, from last year's Wuhan to now, there are few people stockpiling daily living materials. But now, the government is also advocating the people to store more of the living materials. That is to say, at least a month. Leeks have seen the biggest price increase among vegetables. Half a kilogram of leeks may be 60 or 70 cents now.
In the past weeks, 7 provinces and municipalities in China have declared a state of war for the prevention and control of the epidemic. In addition to Hebei province, the number of local cases in Beijing is increasing. In Liaoning province, the number of new cases on the 11th were concentrated in cities of Yingkao, Shenyang and Dalian. And in Heilongjiang province, the outbreak has gone beyond Heihe City, with all passenger vehicles in Wanghui County, Suihua City suspended on the 11th due to the occurrence of cases. But on the same day, officials in Changchun City, Jilin province, announced that the epidemic had been imported from Wanghui County to Changchun City. Due to the new restrictions on social media, our channel may be affected. If you'd like to stay tuned to our channel and receive notifications and updates, please provide us with your email by clicking the link below. Thank you for your support.